Hello and welcome on today's video. In this tutorial, you will see how to make clash detection in Navisworks. Clash detection is a crucial process that helps identify any interferences or clashes between various building elements, allowing you to take corrective action before construction starts. Navisworks is a powerful software tool that can help you detect and resolve clashes between different building elements, saving time and minimizing costly errors. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to use Navisworks' Clash Detective feature to identify and resolve clashes in your construction project. So let's get started. Step 1. Importing the model. Open Navisworks and create a new project. Click on the Home tab, and then click on the Append button. Navisworks supports a variety of file types, such as NWC, NWD, DWG files, and other. Browse for the file location of the 3D model you want to import. Select the file. In the Append dialog box, you can select the options you want to use when importing the model, such as the file type. Remember that you can append multiple models at once. Then click Open. Step 2. Workspace Setup. Go to View tab and click Windows button. Then check Clash Detective, Selection Tree, Properties, and Saved Viewpoints from the dropdown. In Selection Tree, you can see all appended models and set visibility properties for objects and groups using the right-click on the model, Override item. Properties tab help you to see information about selected object, including ID, object name, location, and other. That is helpful for finding needed items in separate programs and identify specific object properties. To start detecting the clashes in the Clash Detective window, click on the Add Test button to create a new clash test. New Test appeared in Test dialog box. Give your test a name, and in Select tab, select the models that you want to include in the test, Selection A versus Selection B. You can also select multiple models in each test. Under the Test Settings section, you can select the clash rules and type you want to apply to your test. The clash types in Navisworks include hard, hard conservative, and clearance. Here's a brief explanation of each. Hard clashes. These are clashes where two or more building elements physically intersect or overlap. Hard clashes are the most severe type of clash and must be resolved before construction can proceed. Hard conservative clashes. Hard conservative clashes are similar to hard clashes but are less severe. They occur when two or more elements come close to intersecting, but do not actually touch. These clashes should still be addressed, but they may not necessarily require as much attention as hard clashes. Clearance clashes. Clearance clashes occur when the space between two building elements falls below a specified clearance value. Clearance clashes are important to identify because they could potentially cause issues during construction, such as hindering movement or limiting accessibility. There are additional settings such as tolerance and composite object clashing. Tolerance help you to specify clash accuracy. Composite object clashing occurs when two or more composite objects, made up of multiple building elements, clash with each other. If you want to identify only clashes with particular objects from the model, uncheck Composite Object Clashing. Once you have set up your test settings, click on Run Test to start the clash detection process. Navisworks will highlight the clashes in your model, and you can review them in the Clash Results tab. To manage the clashes, you can use the tools in the Clash Results tab to create reports, assign responsibilities, select and track the status of each clash. To hide everything except for selected clashes, use the Hide Other button. To group clashes by object types, select the clash and go to Items tab. Here you can select Object Group to be separated, right-click, and group clashes involving item. Now all clashes with selected object are grouped. There are also few filters for clashes that help you with selecting proper clashes or objects. None. Turn off filter by selection. Exclusive. Only clashes involving all of the currently selected items will be shown in the Results tab. Inclusive. Only clashes involving at least one of the currently selected items will be shown in the Results tab. To enable sectioning, go to Viewpoint tab and click Enable Sectioning. You can create viewpoints for clashes or outstanding areas in the project. Find the clash or area you want to capture. Make sure the issue is visible and easy to understand in the view. You can use Sectioning tool to make all needed objects visible. Go to Save Viewpoints tab and click Save Viewpoint using the right click. To create markups, select a viewpoint and use Tools in Review tab. Once you have resolved the clashes, you can run the clash test again to confirm that the issues have been resolved. Viewpoints and clashes can be saved as separate reports as different file types, which could be shared or loaded in other project versions. To export viewpoints, go to Saved Viewpoint. Right-click, Export Viewpoints. You can share this file with other members and load in different project versions. To import clashes, go to Report tab in Clash Detective. Here you can select which clashes you want to be exported. Choose report type and format. Then click Write Report. To save the model, open Navisworks menu, click Save As. Choose appropriate file type and destination folder. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.